boys! For today's math lesson, we are going to be doing an addition and subtraction game with some playing cards. So all you'll need for today's game is your number line, a sheet of paper or a whiteboard, and a marker to write out your answers. You will also need some playing cards. So I have my playing cards right here with the numbers 1 all the way to 10. Let's count them together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So right now, all of my cards are in order, going from the smallest number to the biggest number. So I'm going to turn them around so I can't see them and mix them up a little bit. That way I'm not sure which number is going to come up first. So to play this game, I am going to choose the first number in my card and I'm going to flip it over. I have a 3, and then I have the next number in my card. I'm going to flip that over and I have a 7. So for now that I have my 2 cards, I'm going to do 2 things with them. The first thing I'm going to do is add them together. So first thing, we're going to do 3 plus 7 equals something. So you can either use your number line, you can use some manipulatives, whichever way you want to solve this problem. I'm going to use my number line. I'm going to start at 3 and hop over 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I see my answer is 10. Now the addition part of my game is complete, and now we have to do our subtraction part. So when I look at my 2 numbers, when I have my 3 and my 7, the first thing I have to do is figure out which one of these numbers is bigger. And if I need some help figuring out which number is bigger, I can take a look on my number line and find them. I see 3 is here, I see 7 is here, and I see my bigger number is 7 because it is farther away from the 0. So 7 is bigger than 3. So we are going to do 7 take away 3 equals something. So again, I can either use my manipulatives or my number line to figure out my problem. I'm going to use my number line today. So now I start at 7 and I'm going to count backwards 3 numbers. We go 1, 2, 3, and look, our answer that we have landed on is 4. So look at all the things that we have done with these 2 cards. We have done an addition problem, we have done a subtraction problem, and we have figured out which numbers are bigger than each other. We are going to play one more game together, and then it is your turn. I'm going to flip over 2 more cards. I have a 6 and I have a 10. Whoa. So my first step in my game is I'm going to do addition. I'm going to do 6 plus 10 equals something. Again, I'm going to use my number line to help me out. I'm going to start at 6 and hop over 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at that. My answer is 16. 6 plus 10 equals 16. Now for the second part of our game, we are doing the subtraction. So I have to figure out between 6 and 10 which number is bigger. I'm going to use my number line again. I see 6. And I see 10, and I see that 10 is farther away from 6, so that is the number that comes first in my subtraction. We have 10 take away 6 equals something. Again, you can use your manipulatives or your number line. I'm going to use my number line. I start at 10, and I'm going to hop back 6. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, And we land on a 4. So our answer to 10 minus 6 equals 4. I hope you have fun practicing this math game, boys. We'll talk to you soon.